Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Doogee T10e and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. In it, password manager, and there we have some account where our smartphone device remember our passwords. Now we must click on it. Enter our look screen to get connected to that. In it we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press on edit we can edit this information and write something new in passwords, username and note. But remember, when you change something, tap on save. You can also delete all our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete. When you choose this option you can share password to your friends maybe. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.